Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Valentino sunglasses, model VA2019 in color code 300313. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also a brown gradient. These glasses are a pilot shape. Its temples are gold and the temple tips are Havana. You'll also find the Valentino logo on its temple in gold. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Valentino logo and that it's made in Italy, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is VA2019, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a red Valentino gift box, a Valentino case, a Valentino dust bag, a Valentino booklet, and a manufacturer booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.